手以后，想忘记也不能够。
안녕하세요. Hey, what's up everyone? If you're new, my name is Isaac. Mommy. I'm the hairdresser, but why my hair is so bad? In these videos, I just want to show you guys how I do the self haircut and the self hair color. Everything just look like the K-pop idol. Jackson Wang.
You call me my name.
咁筍唔係嘛？ Let's go.
Who are you?
You need a clipper.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight.
Can you see that, right? The side is so long. Oh my gosh. The before and the after. This is the reason why you need a haircut. Just get a haircut right now. What are you waiting for?
Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's fast.
So much better. Oh my gosh. Right now we go to the back.
Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same.
Maybe you will ask about Isaac how to do the back. We'll talk about how to do the self haircut with the mirror reflection. Just go to watch that videos later. Alright?
Cause that's what it takes.
Hey, if you're looking for a high quality, nice and clean haircut, so you need to tidy up for your hairline.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though. Cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much
Right now we need a shaver.
drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Right now you can see my hairline is so clean. I love it. When we finish the lower side and the lower back, right now we go to create the layers. Spray water again. I'm gonna to be Jackson Wang. Sorry, Jackson.
You're such a badass.
Whatever what is your natural hair parting, this layers is useful for everyone. Trust me. Totally, we have 5 sections on the top. The first one is about the front layers, the second one, the top layers, and the third one, the side layers. Side layers as well. The back layers. You can see that bit is too short, so no need to do the ponytail. Just leave it. 5 ponytails about 5 layers. Don't do too short. You will regret. Just like this. Just a bit shorter.
I wanna start a revolution. I wanna start a revolution. I wanna start a revolution.
So nice.
I wanna start a revolution.
Hey guys, right now you can see my hair is looks so much better. Yeah, it is an amazing haircut. And right now I would like to show you the amazing hair color.
Who are you?
I want to do everything lighter for my hair. Hey, when you dye your hair at home, I suggest you should put a gown on or put a towel, use this t-shirt, cover your neck, protect your skin. Alright? I have too much regrowth hair, so many new hairs. I would like to skip this part because I used to do the coloring tutorial at home. The details about how to apply the hair color, just watch those videos later. Alright? 如果大家想知道詳細啲點樣去搽顏色嘅話咧，記得睇返我之前嗰啲影片啦。咁啊，而家就嚟一個快進先係。Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the hair color right now.
I'ma show you it's a different game. Yeah, straight up, it's a different game. You burst in a fire, burn, a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn, a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Who are you?
Hey guys, if you love this video, so please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell, make sure that never miss my new videos. And I will so happy to see you guys on my Instagram. Yeah, my Instagram is here. Alright, we need your support. Just click here. Your support is really important for us. I know after these videos you will interest about my hairstyling. Yeah, just click here later. See you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace. Let's go.
You're such a badass.